Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about a VW Golf R that we've upgraded with a front and rear dash camera solution. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. Today's install is using the Thinkware U1000 front and rear dash cam as well as the iVolt battery. The reason why we're using this product is actually to record and protect the vehicle while driving, but also while the vehicle is parked. Let's show you a bit more. So right at the front of the vehicle, you've got the 4K image quality Thinkware U1000 camera, an incredible piece of equipment. This lens is wide angle, it gives you great coverage, protecting the vehicle while on the road, but also it's got built-in capability to have motion detection as well. So when the vehicle is parked, if anyone walks in front of that car, you know that the vehicle is recording and got you protected. In terms of this solution, the cable run is really neat and tidy. It gets completely hidden away. From driver's view, the camera is really nice and hidden away behind the factory mirror, but the lens giving you a wide angle view. But also one of the really nice things about the camera system is you've actually got an application. You can download it right now. It's called Thinkware Cloud, and you can actually do loads of different features on the product and on the application. You can actually change settings, and you can also view all your footage live directly in one place. So how is the system actually working in terms of recording when the vehicle is parked? You might be thinking, well, I might be having a flat battery, but no. We use something called the Thinkware iVolt battery system. What this system allows to do is actually record when the vehicle is parked with zero draw on your vehicle's battery. It's completely hidden away. It's an additional battery that we add into the vehicle. On this particular install, we've gone right underneath the passenger seat, completely hidden out of sight, but giving you the added functionality. In terms of the system, if you drive for around about 45 minutes on the front and rear dash camera, what you actually get is all that inputting charge into the battery, giving you around about 16 hours on the other side of parking mode recording on motion detection. You get a lot of recording time when the vehicle is parked, and it's all relative. When you pop down to the shops, say it's a 10-minute drive, it's all relative in terms of that recording time, so you know your vehicle is protected at all times. In terms of the rear camera, giving you that extra bit of coverage, we've got the Thinkware U1000 2-channel system installed. This, obviously, as you can see, the glass is tinted. However, the quality of these rear cameras are so good. It sees through that perfectly well, and you've still got a crystal clear image. In terms of this, it's a lot smaller, it's a lot more discreet, but cable run obviously is installed to the highest possible standards in through factory grommets all the way through to the front of the vehicle. An incredible bit of kit here, not only being able to see through the rear glass, which is tinted, but obviously giving you that wide angle lens as well. All the technical specs are in the description below, guys. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Hopefully you've learned a little bit more about the solution that we've installed on the VW Golf R. If you're interested in this on this particular car, or any car for that matter, let us know. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. Everything you should need, guys, is in the description below. But thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all very soon.